Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Gavin from Artificial Bots here, and today we're going to be starting our new series, coding a Discord bot in Discord.js. So basically what this series is going to be is I'm basically just going to be teaching you guys how to code a Discord bot in Discord.js, and as we go along the ride we'll get into more advanced stuff such as adding moderation commands and doing some cool stuff. So what I'm going to get you guys to do first is come up here and download Node.js. I'll have all these links in the description below. And yeah, so just download the recommended version, and then yeah, so once you have that, you'll just go ahead, open up command prompt, navigate to your folder where you saved the button and do npm init. And what that'll basically do is that'll basically just bring up a package.json, and you can just fill out all your stuff in. So as you can see here, when it loads up, we will have this up here. So yeah, basically once this comes up, you just want to set your package name. So we're just going to call ours tutorial bot version 1.0 description. Not going to set a description. Entry point index.js. Test command, we're not going to have one. Git repository, nope. Keywords, nope. Author, just put your name or whatever you want, so I'm just going to put my Discord ID. And then yeah, so just click enter. And then yeah, so next what we're going to do is we're going to install Discord.js. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do npm npm install discord.js -g for globally, so we want it installed on everywhere, and then that'll start installing. Okay, so once that's installed, we're going to head into our Visual Studio Code folder, and now as you can see here we got a package.json file, and if we click that up here we go, we have that up here. And then what else we're going to do is we're going to install Node.js. So npm install Node.js -g, and that'll install Node.js. Now that that's done, what we want to do here is we want to click new folder, and then we want to call that index.js, and then we'll create another new folder called config.json. So in our config.json we want to do squiggly brackets, enter, token, and then we'll put our bot token here, and then you want to make sure you put a comma there, and then we'll put a prefix here. And the prefix can be whatever you want, but for the sake of this tutorial I'm just gonna do question mark. So yeah, now let's get to creating our application. So once you've done that, you want to head over to discordapp.com/developers, and then you want to do that. Then you'll come up here, and then we'll just click new application, and I'm going to do Discord tutorial, click enter. Then what you want to do is you want to go over here to bot, add bot, yes, do it. And then yeah, so you just want to copy your token and paste that here, and just want to fix that up. And done it. You guys don't want to be sharing your token around to people, because then yeah, stuff can go down with your bot, and then people can, yeah, just not going to explain that in this video. So once we've done that, we want to go ahead and invite our bot to our server. So if we go back to here, we click OAuth, and then we come down here, we click bot, administrator, copy that, and just paste that there, and then invite it to the server that you want to invite it to. So for this instance we're going to be inviting it to the Artificial Bots official Discord. Do that. We will verify that we're not a robot. And then yeah, if we head up here, you can see we have our Discord tutorial bot. And yeah, also guys, this server will be in the description below as well, so if you want to join our Discord and get notified whenever I upload a new video, feel free to do that. But yeah, so now that we've got the basics done, what we want to go ahead and do is we want to come back into here, go to index.js, and we want to type const discord equals require, if I can spell properly, and then discord.js. Then we'll put a semicolon, then we'll do const config equal require, and then what we'll do is we're going to get it from the config.json. So what we're going to do is put a dot forward backslash, and then we're going to do config.json, and that'll basically be reading stuff from our configuration file, and then const bot equals discord.client brackets squiggly brackets disable everyone, and then true, and then there we go. We'll also do that. So basically const discord require discord.js, that's reading the discord.js, and then we have the config, that's bringing everything from the config. And yeah, so what we want to go ahead and do now is we want to create a ready event. So bots.on ready, and then we will do async, we'll put brackets, we'll put arrow function, and then we'll do that, squiggly brackets, enter, console.log, and then what we want to do here is we want to put the backticks, and we want to do bots.user.username is online, and then we want to create an activity, so bot.user.set activity, and then we'll put it development, and then we'll put squiggly brackets type, and then plain, and then we'll put another, and then yeah, that's basically it for that. And then yeah, what we're going to do down here is we're going to do bot.login, if I can spell properly, config.token, and then we're going to do that. So what that's basically doing is config.token, so that's reading the array we have up here, and that's bringing the token that we have from that into here, and that'll basically just run the bot. So if we head to our CMD now, and if we do node dot, okay, cannot find module discord.js. Okay, so yeah, I kind of stuffed that up there. What you want to go ahead and do is you want to come up here. When you head into your folder, you just want to do npm install node.js. I think it didn't do it properly the first time. Then what you want to do here is install discord.js. So now if we run node dot, that should have worked. Yep, okay, so basically I just forgot to add new here. So what you want to do is you want to do const bot equals new discord.client, and then you want to do disable everyone. And what I did to clean up the code here was I did Alt Shift F, and yeah, so now hopefully this should work. So yeah, well, that's probably not working because I forgot to do that. And what you want to do here is you want to make sure you have a $sign in front of that so it's reading the variable. And now if we do node dot, Discord tutorial is online, and if we head to the Discord, you can see Discord tutorial bot is online and it's plain development. So yeah, now what we're going to do is we want it to basically respond to us. So if we type a command such as like say something like that, we want it to say hello or something. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make up some space, and we want to do bot.on message async message arrow function. Want to do that, and then what you want to do here is you want to do if message.bots.author divide message.channel.type 3 equals and then DMs. So what this is basically doing is if the user DMs the bot a command, so you don't want people to use commands in DMs with your bot, for example, that'll just basically return that. And then what we want to do here is we want to find the prefix, so let prefix equals config.prefix. Then we want to do let message array equals message.contents.split. Let cmd equals message array variable 0, and then let args equals message array dot slice 1. And then what we're going to do here is if cmd 3 equal signs backticks prefix hello, we want the bot to respond to us, so we're going to do return message.channel.send hello. And then what we can do here is we can actually we do need that. You want to make sure you have the brackets here so it's opening up to it, and then you want to have that there. Clean up the code a bit, save, head back to our command prompts, and if we do that, Discord tutorial is online, and if we type hello, I'm going to go ahead and look at what the error is here. Yep, okay, so sorry about that. I actually do have the code already up on my other monitor because I wanted to test everything and make sure it all worked before I recorded the video, which clearly it didn't because I'm done. So you want to change this around to message.author.bot, and then that should be good. Clean up your code again. You want to do that, and then that should come up. Head back down here, and then there we go. So what that basically did was that read the prefix from the config, so that's the prefix there, the variable. That read that, and that returned the message once we sent the question mark hello to the channel. So yeah guys, that's going to be it for this tutorial today. So all the links will be in the description down below, and yeah, enjoy. If you guys need any help, let me know in the Discord, and yeah, have fun. Sorry that this video wasn't as good or as clear as expected. I'm not going to go through and actually explain everything. I want you guys to actually have a clear understanding of Discord JS and like Discord bots in general. So yeah, that's that, guys. Enjoy your week. Peace.